Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
So far whatever has been said and done, we remain silent. But now we will not remain silent. Because our tribe is the biggest in Arab and this honor should be given to our tribe.
Don't think that we have kept silent because of some fear. You are right that your tribe is the largest in number. But our tribe is the most militant. Our men's hands are still holding swords. They can do it in an instant.
Slowly sitting on the right of pride and arrogance, you are saying as if you are the victorious warrior of Arabia. Now that the matter has reached this point, it is necessary for the elders to decide.
Disagreements intensified among the tribal chiefs. Due to the floods this year, all the houses in the city of Mecca were destroyed and the walls of the Kaaba were damaged. The Quraysh intended to build the house of God. At first they thought that the Lord of the Kaaba would not be angry. But that did not happen and the construction of the Kaaba was completed. When the time came to install the black holy stone, everyone disagreed that their tribe would install it. It was decided that according to the tradition, all should put their hands in the vessel filled with blood and make a vow of war among themselves. The one who wins the war will have the honor of installing the black holy stone.
We didn't want that to happen.
We didn't want that either.
But this is not the first time this has happened. Our tribe does not hesitate to offer blood for its own glory.
Let's pledge. Hurry up and get some blood in the tray. Put your hands in the blood.
What happened, for the construction of the Kaaba, did not care about the heat of the season. Did not fear the gods. At least fear the fire of your hatred and prejudice. Why do Arabs paint their pride with blood? Isn't it time to take action?
What do you mean by that?
This means that there may be a better solution.
Be clear.
You make someone your ruler, who is not one of you, except the one who enters the Kaaba first, for authority.
Everyone liked this advice. Silence fell. Messenger of God, at that time he was 35 years old. He entered the holy mosque. Everyone was happy to see him. He is Muhammad. He is trustworthy. We accept his sovereignty. At that time, the Prophet, peace be upon him, placed the black stone in a cover and said that every chief should grab the cover and take it near the place of the stone. Then he installed the black stone in its place. A bloody battle was avoided due to the decision of the Holy Prophet and the black stone was installed in its original place by the blessed hands of the greatest man on earth.